Good evening, students. We are going to talk about behavior of pair of linear equation. It is a topic from chapter 3 of class 10th. Important part from for the board exam. It comes in multiple choice as well as you may get questions in the case studies. Get the concept clear in the next two slides. Behavior of pair of linear equations. You see, a pair of linear equations in two variable which has no solution is known as inconsistent pair of linear equation. The pair which has a solution or one solution, unique solution, is called a consistent pair of linear equation. Do remember it, because in the form of MCQs you may get some nature of the questions, a combination of these. There could be a pair of linear equation which has infinitely many distinct common solutions. Infinitely many distinct common solutions. What are the such kind of what kind of lines could be such like this? So they are going to be coinciding lines, and such pair is known as dependent pair of linear equation. Of course, it has got a solution of multiple solutions, so they are also called consistent. So we can conclude that the dependent pair of linear equations are always consistent. You understand the same concept pictographically, it will help you putting into your memory effectively. A pair of linear equations can be consistent pair or could be inconsistent pair. And if it is a consistent pair, the lines may intersect at one point, which fundamentally, or it may be a coinciding lines. If it intersects at one point, it means it has got a unique solution. How do you check? How do you get the solution whether it is a unique solution if you are given two equations? So you would be checking by getting the ratios a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, and they should not be equal to. So a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. For coinciding lines which has got infinite solutions, you will check by getting the result. It should be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And if the pair of equation is inconsistent, it means that lines are parallel and it doesn't have any solution. And how do you check? a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, but they both should not be equal to c1 by c2. Now you might be wondering where has these a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 have come from? These are the coefficients of the equation of line in the standard form. Your standard form of the equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Happy learning. If you have any further queries, you may put in the message. We will generate videos for you to clear your concepts.